Center. The single point from which all points on a circle are the same distance. Put a dot on a piece of paper. This dot is the center of the circle. Now take a short length of string, say 2 inches, and hold one end at the point drawn on the paper, and the other on an upright pencil, and proceed to draw a circle, the string's length from the drawn point. If the length of the string is kept consistent, a circle can be drawn. The definition of a circle is that set of dots or points which are equal distance from that original point drawn, which is called the center of the circle. The single point which is an equal distance from the set of points of the circle is the center of the circle. Related words: set of points, arc.